Please note that we do not guarantee employment to the candidates. Though utmost care has been taken in providing correct information, eligible candidates are, however, advised to go through the official notification before submitting applications.
भरोसाको जीवन
शिक्षित योग्य युवाहरूलाई
र सज्जितहरूलाई
कहीं न कहीं छ रोजगारको मुहान, जही नै त्यही छ रोजगारको मुहान।
Supported by
Darjeeling District Central Cooperative Bank Limited, Rishi Road, Kalimpong.
Bank of India, Ongan Road, Kalimpong, with all kinds of modern banking facilities. I-SET,
short-term and long-term computer courses with nominal fee and concession to ST, SC, OBC and BPL candidates. Shahid Dal Bahadur Giri Road, Kalimpong.
Yellow Diagnostics and Polyclinic,
Damba Chowk, Kalimpong. Remember us for pathology tests, X-ray, scanning and other medical assistances.
DP Upasal and Sons, Damba Chowk, Kalimpong. Textbooks, copies, magazines and newspapers supplying since more than 60 years.
Calcutta Store,
an exclusive showroom of cosmetic, jewelry, gold-plated jewelry, DS Gurung Road, Kalimpong. DG Prints, Rishi Road, Kalimpong. Visit us for any type of quality printing job at reasonable rates with timely delivery facility. Charitra Prakashan, Manadara, Kalimpong. We deal with printing, publication, distribution and circulation of Nepali books. We also provide assistance to unemployed youth for online submission of forms, coaching, counseling and overall free SMS about latest vacancies. Call us at 03552 255599 or 9475591475. Add us in Facebook also.
Namaskar. A very happy new year to all of our viewers and well-wishers. We welcome you to the Employment Information segment of Charitra production on KTV. First, the highlights. Graduates wanted by Indian Railway for Siliguri and Gangtok offices. Post offices in West Bengal require services of matriculate youths. Vacancies of assistant professors notified for North Bengal University. Indian Railways have issued notification to recruit graduates in various posts. The details: name of organizer, Railway Recruitment Board, name of exam, non-technical popular categories, number of post 18,252 all over, name of post commercial apprentice, traffic apprentice, inquiry cum reservation clerk, goods guard, junior accountant assistant cum typist, senior clerk cum typist, assistant station master, traffic assistant, senior timekeeper. Qualification: degree of a recognized university, age 18 to 32 years, relaxation as per rule, date of birth between 2nd Jan 1979 to 1st Jan 1998. Places of vacancies: Siliguri, Guwahati, Malda, Kolkata, Patna, Ranchi, etc. Centers of exam: Siliguri, Kolkata, Gangtok, Bardang, etc. Date of exam tentatively between March to May 2016. Mode of application: online. Exam fee ₹100. Fee exemption for SC, ST, ex-servicemen, PWD, minorities, transgender, economically backward classes and women candidates. Closing date 25th Jan 2016. Official website www.rrbsiliguri.org. Matric passed youths are wanted by post offices in West Bengal and Sikkim. The details. Name of organizer, India Post West Bengal Circle, Ministry of Communication and Information Technology. Name of post, postman and mail guard. Number of post, 439 including 23 for Darjeeling. Pay scale, rupees 5,200 to 20,200 plus GP, rupees 2,000. Qualification, matriculation, age 18 to 27 years, relaxation as per rule. Mode of application, online. Application fee, rupees 120 for all categories. Exam fee, rupees 400 for male candidates of general and OBC categories. No exam fee for SC, ST, PWD women candidates. Closing date 27th Jan 2016. Official website wbcircle.eadmission.net.
Darjeeling District Central Cooperative Bank Limited, Rishi Road, Kalimpong.
Our bank runs under West Bengal Cooperative Societies Act 2006 and Rule 2011. Our services:
loans in agricultural sector through primary agricultural cooperative societies,
loans in non-agricultural sector through employees credit cooperative societies,
easy consumption short-term loan facilities to salary earners.
Bank of India provides benefit to central and state government salary account holders. Benefit are minimum balance not required, free accidental death insurance of rupees 10 lakh, debit card to withdraw cash up to rupees 50,000 and POS up to rupees 1 lakh, free 100 check leaves every year, free missed call alert for balance inquiry, personal loan, vehicle loan, housing loan at very affordable rates of interest. Visit our branch at Bank of India, Ongden Road, Kalimpong.
North Bengal University is going to recruit assistant professors in various subjects. The details. Organizer, University of North Bengal. Name of post, Assistant Professor. Number of post, 39. Subject of post, Physics, English, Anthropology, Commerce, pharmaceutical technology, food technology, management, chemistry, geology, math, botany, history, philosophy, sociology, political science, Nepali, geography, applied geography, Bengali, Sanskrit, education, geology, physical education. Pay scale rupees 15,600 to 39,100 plus GP 6,000. Qualification postgraduate in relevant subject with 55% after passing 3 years degree course with honors securing at least second class. Passed NET, SLET, SET exam or PhD. Examination fee rupees 600 for unreserved and rupees 300 for SC, ST, OBC A, OBC B candidates. Closing date 15th January 2016. Official website www.nbu.ac.in. This much for this episode of Employment Information. We welcome creative suggestions from our viewers to make this program more successful. Goodbye till our next episode.